Hello to you, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you all. Welcome to ICO Reviews, and today I present to you Wemark. This is a different ICO entirely. When you watch videos on YouTube, maybe on CNN and Al Jazeera and everything, you see different pictures, and what you see is getting image, shooter trucks, and all the rest. Are you a blogger with pictures that you want to use for your articles or for any books you want, and you don't want any copyright problem? So you go to shooter trucks or for getting image, and you pay to have a right for the photo. But getting image are not the one who actually owns the photo. It is a photographer from somewhere, from Iran, from Pakistan, from Kenya, from Ukraine, from anywhere you can think of, from Jamaica. It is someone who created that, but they get very little for that. What about music? What about everything you can think of? The real creator, the real artist gets almost nothing for that. Now the blockchain is taking things into a different dimension entirely. Now with the blockchain, artists will be able to get rewarded for what they've been able to do. Now they will get 85% of the worth of what they've done, the commission for it, not 10% or 15% or even 5%. Now you can get involved with the ICO here, and let's scroll down. It is a blockchain-based marketplace for digital content. Let's scroll down. Now, creators give up the large part of their revenue. This guy, this middleman, takes the highest part of it. They have no control of the transparency, and all the rights are being given to these companies. I'm just going to play you a video that will explain greatly about this. Let's scroll down. And you see, now, for games and apps, the creator only get 30%. Music is usually 30% on average. Ebooks are 40 to 60%. Can you imagine? The writer who spend all the time only get 30 or 40% of it. Photography is the worst of it. These middlemen or this company get 85% of it, and the photographer is being left with 15% or even 10%. Well, these are going to change entirely when Wemark actually fulfill that promise and start this on the blockchain. And in fact, you can even start now. It's really happening. You can upload your photo and see how it was. And when this gets bigger, then creators will get so much benefit from this. Now the total token supply is 135 million. I love this number. It's based on demand and supply. The higher the token, it's difficult to really get a high price for it. The lower the worth. When the supply is small, then the worth goes up. Now you cannot compare a token that has supply of 135 million with a token that have 10 billion. Is different. Now the source cap, that is, they plan to raise 3,250 Ethereum, and the hard cap they plan to raise is 16,750 Ethereum. If you want to know what this is all about, just times like 3,000 times 500, then you're going to get the total amount they plan to raise. It's an ERC20 token, and one Ethereum will give you 2,075 WMK, that is Wemark token, and they accept Ethereum. Now, the company reserves 38% of the total supply of this coin, so you can imagine that the total kind of that will be in the ICOs is limited. Now, for settling the ICO is it's only 34.5% they are selling. Less than half of the total supply they are selling. Now the team and the advisors will get 16%, and the partnership they get 10%, and for biotech program, for advert and all the rest, for maybe people to join Telegram or others get 1.5% of it. Now let's go to the team. Kaish, the CEO and the co-founder. This guy here is this. Sorry. Let me play it to you.
Creators and customers will always need assistance in finding and transacting with each other.
Can you see this guy?
Distribution of content will always take efforts and cost money. This is what created a place for agencies and content marketplaces in the first place. The blockchain enables a new era in which the core functionalities of distributed content.
Well, most people want to know, is an ICO real? Is this a scam? But you are seeing the CEO having an interview live in his office or wherever it is. It shows this ICO is not a joke. This is nothing. It's real. This whole team are not scamming people. They are showing their face. They have nothing to hide at all. You can see the other team members here. You can scroll down and have all the other team members. You know, a whole lot and lot and lot of them. You can join their Telegram by just clicking there and you join the Telegram. You can see different videos that they have and the blog they have, and you can get link to the white paper. Just try. I will encourage you to read the white paper and go through the white paper you yourself. Whereby it's well put together. Now let's go to Telegram. Now they have 11,431 members in the Telegram. And now let's go to Twitter. 7,039 people already following the Twitter account. So now here you can get new information that you can think of, go on Telegram, with your Wemark and all the rest you can get. Now let's come to ICO bench. They have 4.1 rating, 5 over 5 for ICO program for 3 team and all the rest. You can scroll down here. They are based in Israel. You can see everything you need to check here. Now, what are my thoughts about Wemark? I strongly believe that Wemark has something to offer. Creators are going to fall in love with this program because it's really for them. They will fall in love with this project. Now let me play you a video to see why people are going to love this project, the creators.
Van Gogh, one of the greatest artists of our time, created hundreds of masterpieces and still ended up dying poor. The poor guy. Marketing wasn't really his thing. Imagine if he could have sold his work through an online marketplace like Shutterstock or Getty Images. He could have sold thousands. Wait, actually, he still would have died poor because these guys would take a fee of up to 85% and most of the rights to his work. Yep, today, millions of artists and creators pay ridiculous fees and give up most of their rights to content marketplaces and agencies. Meet Wemark, the blockchain-based marketplace for digital content. Starting with stock photos, Wemark allows creators and customers to transact directly with each other with no middleman involved. They do it over the blockchain using.
So you can see what it's really about. So, I mean, I'm really bullish about this. I can't really tell what the price of token is going to be about or whatever, but I'm very sure that this ICO should be able to do well. I believe this ICO is real, it is genuine, and feel free to get involved with this ICO if you want to. But remember, I am not your financial advisor. I'm doing this review for you to know about this ICO. The decision is yours. You have to make your own decision by yourself. And please don't forget, subscribe. Just click it now. Subscribe for my channel and hit the like button. And I will keep bringing more videos to you. And until next time I come your way, this is ICO Reviews.